Hey, welcome! Are you ready to kick off your fitness journey right here at home? I've got an energizing, super quick HIIT workout that's perfect for beginners. No equipment, no fuss, just you and your determination. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training. Don't let the name scare you. It's all about short bursts of effort, followed by a little rest. In just 15 minutes, you'll get a full body burn, boosting strength, endurance, and even flexibility. All you need is a water bottle, your comfiest workout gear, and a little bit of motivation. Here's the plan. 30 seconds of exercise, then 15 seconds to catch your breath. Do each move twice before switching up. Listen to your body. Take breaks if you need, and don't be afraid to modify. Let's dive in. First up, jumping jacks. Stand tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Jump out, swinging your arms overhead, then back in. Let your heart rate climb and your muscles wake up. Next, body weight squats. Feet shoulder width apart, sit back like you're grabbing a seat, chest up, knees behind those toes. You'll feel your legs working and your core bracing. Ready for a burst? High knees. Run in place and drive your knees as high as you can. Keep your core tight and pump those arms. Drop it down to plank shoulder taps. In plank position, tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Focus on control. Keep those hips steady and core strong. Now for mountain climbers. Stay in plank and run your knees up toward your chest, quick and controlled. Feel your heart racing and your whole body firing up. Take your 15-second rest. Breathe deep, sip some water, but keep moving. Even a little bounce counts. Ready for round 2? Let's repeat every move, keeping good form and steady breath. You're building strength with every rep. To finish, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your shoulders, and twist side to side, bringing elbow to opposite knee. Burn out that core. And done! That's a full 15-minute HIIT. You crushed it. Stretch out, celebrate your progress, and drop a comment telling me how you feel. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a sweat session. Stay fit, stay strong, and I'll see you next time.